is not your bed. Hindi, makapaglagpas natin may net na.
Wow! What time is it?
What time is it?
Wow! Yeah, that's good! Shoes!
May motor ka? Meron ba? May ba? Yun! Ayos!
In your bag.
Oh, yeah.
You like your house? Can I dance?
Oh!
I can go!
Agad ka na to. Saan yung kwarto natin?
Let's check the room first.
Ito? Sa ito?
Thank you. Upstairs.
Okay.
With me!
You want to draw?
Can you come with me?
Let's go!
Mahilig din sa kama.
You're so pretty. Are you sleepy, love?
Yay!
Ay, so sleep na talaga siya.
This is not your bed!
You're so pretty.
Tingnan mo siya. This is not your bed! Down! Let's go down! Come on!
Let's
Hello.
play with ate na.
Hello! Hello!
Who drew that?
All through the town, the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town, the racers on the
Ito si Earl nun.
Pero alam mo, kahit normal day, nandyan din sila.
Naghanap sila ng tatawalan. Yung garlic rice na.
You wanna swim na? Oh, wait lang. I told you, di ba, count ikaw? 5 minutes pa. Swimming na kami. Hi, baby. Hi, dad.
Hello.
Pakinggan ng birds. How about Val? Say ba? Say hi, Val. Val, say hi. Ay, I'm sleepy. Hi, Tita Ren. Nakapag-vlog ka. Yeah, are you gonna play there?
Wow.
Diyan mo magmumukha yung ganito talaga natin. Excited, di?
Island of the sea.
Happy Kobe. Watch your step, ha?
Mommy, is that a beach?
Yeah.
To play with sun.
Okay.
Sandcastle, gawa ka din.
Sa vlog to, ma-vlog.
Vlog ko. I vlog.
Yeah. Parang mas maganda pag walang flash.
Nagkakamay pala to. Wow.